Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to source for the latest in gadgets and tech reviews. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best mini spy recorder on the market, the Bduwosk 64GB mini voice recorder. Whether you're in need of a discreet recording device for lectures, meetings, or even in your car, this voice recorder packs a punch with impressive features in a tiny package. At just 15 grams, this recorder is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry with you anywhere you go. It's a perfect solution if you're looking for something compact yet powerful enough to handle your recording needs. Despite its size, it can store up to 750 hours of high-quality audio, thanks to its expansive 64GB memory. Imagine the convenience of recording for hours without having to worry about running out of space. One of the standout features of this recorder is its long-lasting battery. With a 230 mAh rechargeable battery, you can record up to 25 hours of continuous audio on a single charge. That's far beyond what most smartphones can offer. Plus, it can even record while charging, so you won't have to worry about the device shutting down unexpectedly. And if the battery gets low, the recorder automatically saves your files, so you don't lose any valuable content. Using the Bduwosk voice recorder couldn't be easier. With a simple switch to turn it on and off, and a voice-activated recording feature, it takes only seconds to start capturing everything around you. When you need to play back your recordings, all you have to do is plug in the included headphones, and you're good to go. The operation is so straightforward, anyone can use it without hassle. In addition to its user-friendly design, this voice recorder also comes with USB functionality. By connecting it to your computer, you can easily access all your recordings. The files are neatly listed, and you can even encrypt or timestamp them for quick organization. This makes it easier than ever to manage your recordings, whether you need to revisit an interview or a lecture. Before you start using it, the product manual offers some useful guidelines to make sure you get the most out of this device. And if you have any questions, the company offers strong technical support to assist you. In summary, the Bduwosk 64GB mini voice recorder is the ultimate tool for anyone in need of a discreet, reliable, and efficient voice recorder. With its sleek design, powerful memory, impressive battery life, and simple operation, it's hands down one of the best mini spy recorders available. Whether for professional or personal use, this device is ready to meet all your recording needs. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review.